Paravi. I'm representing Tano Electrical. I am from Carnival Dogotuki in the province of Macuata. Yes, I'm a student of Sri Guru Culture College and I am in year 13. I am currently staying in Duavata in Korowiri, a resident here in Lampasa. My message I've been advocating on this long week carnival is methamphetamine abuse. Methamphetamine abuse is one of the dangerous drugs that attacks a human body and a brain. Methamphetamine is considered one of the dangerous drugs because it breaks families, destroys communities, and in many cases it takes life. A lot of places in our communities have been destroyed because of methamphetamine because young people nowadays are get to addictions on these drugs. My fellow youth, methamphetamine is not just another drug. It is a highly addictive substance that attacks your brain and your body. Some young people nowadays are introduced to these drugs because of the peer pressure, curiosity, and desire to fit in. Others may use it as a relief from stress and personal struggles. However, I tell you this, every choice that you make can be a lifetime of regret.